Johnny Lasky with Bully Dog, here to walk you through the install process of the new Bully Dog BDX. So the first thing that we're going to do is locate the OBD2 port, which is going to be underneath your steering column. Take the OBD2 cable and make sure that it fits on there nice and snug. So as soon as you get the tuner plugged into the OBD2 port, you'll take the HDMI portion and plug it into the top of the device. As soon as it powers on, the next thing that you're going to do, which actually makes this programmer so neat, is that we're going to update it. But that doesn't mean that you have to run back and forth to the computer, no additional cables, none of that. It actually will link into Wi-Fi. So I'm going to show you how to update it just via a Wi-Fi connection. So when you're ready to do your update, we're going to go down to device settings. The first option will be to check for updates. We're going to select that, confirm. And of course, it's going to tell you that your internet is required, so we're going to continue. It's going to take a moment and scan for the Wi-Fi networks that are available. Okay, that first one there is actually the network we're going to use. And then it's going to ask you to put in the passcode. So once you've entered your Wi-Fi password, select Done and continue. Okay, so if it was successful, that's the code that you'll get, or the screen that you'll get. So we're going to go ahead and select OK. And at this point, it's going to verify all of your files and start running your update. So we recommend updating these devices as soon as you get them, even if they are brand new to you. Sometimes they've sat on the shelf wherever it was that you purchased it from for a little bit. So depending on how many updates there are available for it, sometimes they do take a little bit. So just be prepared to allow it to run its course. Even though it takes a while, don't panic, that will be normal. And as soon as they are finished, it'll tell you that your update is now complete and you're up to date. So you can go ahead and select OK. The Bully Dog BDX sells for $3.99. You can visit bullydog.com to find an authorized reseller near you.